Hi everybody! We are going to make Woody's Lunchbox chocolate um, tarts today. When we go over to Woody's Lunchbox, we enjoy getting the Lunchbox tarts, and they actually published the recipe for us. So we've made our dough, and we're going to try to do both the hazelnut ones and the strawberry ones. So we'll see how this works out. We've got our dough. We've got our insides measured out. We've got our egg wash. So we're going to go ahead and cut these. Our stove is preheated to 375 degrees, and we've got our parchment paper on our pan. So we're going to cut these out and put our filling in, put our egg wash on, and bake them. So we'll show you what it looks like when we put them on the pan. So we cut up the first amount of dough. So we're going to put the hazelnut and these ones, and then we're going to put the top on and brush them with the egg wash. And then we're going to make the strawberry ones too. Hold on just a moment. And here's what it looks like with our hazelnut spread on the inside. We have them all covered up. So now we're going to pinch the edges together with a fork and put our egg wash on them. We have our dough cut up for our strawberry ones. So I'm going to put those on the tray and get those cooking too. Once you get the egg wash on, this is what they look like. So they're going to be super yummy and super golden crispy, and it's going to be so much fun. We're ready to go in the oven. So we're going to bake these at 17 minutes at 375 degrees. And as you can see, the strawberry jelly, I'm trying to get the shadow out of there. There we go. Strawberry jelly was a little more runny, I guess you would say. Whereas the hazelnut spread stayed right in where it's supposed to. So we're going to see what happens when they come out. See if it bursts out of its shell. Let's see what it looks like. So we'll be back in about 17 minutes. We do have extra dough, so we're going to make some more and put them on another tray. So we'll be right back. Our tarts are done. Oh, yum. They smell so good. You guys should smell them. Oh, so the hazelnut ones on the left over here did not puff up as much as the strawberry filled ones over here. So they did not leak, not much, but we're going to let them cool just a bit, and then we're going to put some frosting on them. It's more of an icing, not a frosting. But the hazelnut ones will have candy, have some bacon on the top, and the strawberry ones will have just some icing and some little candy pearls that we have. So we'll be right back as soon as they're cooled. I will show you how to make the icing for them, and we will put some icing on them. Tarts have cooled, and it's like you joined us. Our tarts have cooled, and we're making the icing to go on top. We start out with 1 tablespoon of milk and a teaspoon of lemon juice and a cup of powdered sugar, and we gradually add another tablespoon of milk to make it nice and consistent. So we're going to add a little bit more because it's not quite there yet. So be right back. And perfect. We got the right consistency. We added just a little bit more milk. Not quite a whole tablespoon, but just enough. We made our bacon. And pro tip, you always make an extra piece of bacon because it's so yummy. And that way you have an extra piece for yourself. So we're going to decorate these. We're going to put the icing on the top. I'm going to add a little bit of food coloring to the pink ones, to the strawberry ones. And we'll add some sugars. They're finished. Oh, and they look so pretty. Check them out. All right, we're going to get our taste testers in here and see what they taste like. They look very good. Not as pink frosting as we expected, but yeah, we got what we have. So we'll get our taste testers in here and see what they think. All right, Peter, what do you think? Peter has the hazelnut one with bacon. Charlie, what do you think? Very good. Did you get to the strawberry yet?
No, not yet.
No? You're a big hazelnut fan. What do you think? Let's see the inside. Show me the inside. Oh, you gotta turn it around. Okay, that's kind of out of focus here. Sorry. But, all right. So is it a win?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yes. All right. So it works. Yay. We'll post the recipe in just a second, and we're going to enjoy our tarts. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.
Bye.